I'm not the typical guy. I'm more of a troublemaker guy. And, I am an entrepreneur and disruptor to many markets.
We have so many choices for GPS directions these days.
And we all have our favorites, but do you ever wonder if another system would get you there faster?
But what is Waze?
Yeah, so Waze is the real-time crowdsourced navigation app that's powered by the world's largest community of drivers.
Waze is a smartphone app used by more than 50 million drivers.
This is constructive. This benefits not just myself, but other people.
If I solve that, then I create a bigger impact or creating a lot of value to a lot of people. And they're all about doing good.
Usually I will be focusing on a problem and I'll try to solve that. And, I'll try to find a problem that is worth solving and then build a solution for that. So it's always about consumers. It's always about creating a lot of value to a lot of people. And this is what I'm constantly trying to do.